Okay, here we are with Lucas, from the president of Bayside Pinball Club in Melbourne. He's going to install a set of mirror blades on his Monopoly machine, and he's going to show you how easy it is, or how hard it is. If his hair doesn't get tangled up inside. So he's just lining it up. This one's one of the ones that Aussie Pinball sells. It's got tack holes, or it's got screw holes, so it's so easy to apply the tacks, and they do hold it really well. The wood's so dense and so hard that once they're in, they're actually very hard to get out. You leave the plastic cover on before the last thing you do is take it off, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a little bit proud.
Yeah. So you just set it down a fraction from the very top. Is that what you do? Yeah.
Yeah, I just tried to line it up with the side rail.
Because you don't want the glass sliding on top of the steel, so you just set it down like a millimetre or two from where the glass would slide.
Just pull the plastic away from the pins first.
Oh, that's a good idea, yeah. Oh, Reggie. Shh.
Well, that's how Reggie would do it.
Reggie's agreeing. Are you agreeing with that, Reggie?
Agreeing?
Yeah.
Or
Reggie.
telling me what I've done.
Do you agree? Yep.
Plastic. Extra protection.
What's that?
Got 2 layers of plastic.
2 layers of plastic.
Yeah. Bonus.
You've moved your
Yeah.
picture, mate. 2 layers, is it really?
Yeah. This is just one of the bonuses.
Oh, that's right. Added protection.
Added protection. You can never have too much.
Well, it's not. Yeah, that's right. It's like rolling on 2. I won't say 2 condoms, because it's probably a bit. No, I just said it. I must admit, getting that plastic off, it's actually, that's probably the hardest part of the whole job.
Really?
It's the hardest part of the whole process. It's one.
Yeah.
Too easy.
Well, we've got to get the rest of the plastic off.
Oh, there's still more plastic, yeah.
Lather, rinse and repeat, yeah?
Hey?
Lather, rinse and repeat.
Lather? You lather up, do you? Straight away you can see. Let's just show. So actually, let's quickly turn it on, and we'll just show the difference from one side to the other. The view from this side.
Something at the top.
Just a view. This is just instant improvement. You can see that side, and we'll go over this side, and like just. I mean, the LEDs are shining off that black paintwork pretty well, but you compare that to that. It's just awesome. Look at that. Look at that. And look at that. Yeah. So for $60, it's probably the best value for money as far as a mod goes for your pinball machine. Anyway, so basically 1 minute per side, and you've job's done.
Yeah.
Yeah, too easy. Thanks, Lucas. No. We're back again. We forgot that these sterns don't have hinge bolt that goes through to hold the top end. So they actually just keep the mirror blade flush with the top of the top edge. So we're going to put some double-sided tape on there, which is again an easy process if Lucas can peel the backing tape off. So that'll just hold the top edge tightly to the timber sides, and you won't see that gap there anymore. Yeah, like I said, the other machines, most of the bellies and that have this hinge bolt would go through, and also go through here where there'll be a hole on the other side, but of the mirror blade. Yep. All right, so that was the only thing we missed out before. So otherwise, job's done. So here we are with the final product.
Get back here.
I mean, it just makes every pinball look extra special. That's good. And by the way, Monopoly, it might not have a good name out there, but it's a fun game to play. It's oh jeez, give it a tilt. I didn't tilt. There you go.